So, very, very good morning. So, all of you, hope you all are there, but I'm missing some of you. And to the God, I prayed, and before, at the commencement of the Umphan, the greatest cyclone, super cyclone. Now, it has already destroyed a lot of things, both of the Parganas and Howrah, Hooghly. So it seems to be a larger destruction to us. Though we are in city areas, do not have not felt so much impact, but whatever we have felt is greater that we have ever felt. So now, at first today's class, I would like to start with a prayer, and you also I would like to tell you all to pray to God to save those who are homeless, who are now foodless, who are even now waterless. So our government is working hard. There are a lot of volunteers, a lot of people who have been devoting their total hours. Hope the total area of Sundarban, Wakkhali, these all are areas would be recovering soon. Even Kolkata is in true danger now, though we have already crossed 8 days of the super cyclone. Nevertheless, the pandemic of COVID-19 is also attacking. So in this situation, we have to continue our work as we have to continue our study. So due to the longest problems of the electricity and of course net problem, I have decided to come over. Now, today's lecture is going to be devoted on Rabindranath Tagore's Parrot training. As I have already discussed, it is for class 12. Class 11 students, I have already given you something. And the next class I am going to give you different things. Okay. This class is belonging to class 12's Parrot's training by Rabindranath Tagore. As I have already discussed about the theme, so today I would like to discuss you in a brief about what the Parrot's training is all about. Parrot's training is all about a training which the king and its nephew wants to provide the parrot with it. They understood or they came to know that the parrot is not so much legal, parrot is not so much, eligible. He is lacking in courtesy. So he needs some education, he needs some schooling. In this regard, the king asked his nephew to take the responsibility over his shoulder, and the nephew, according to the counselors, according to the pandits, according to the others who were there to give the knowledge, took some decision. A big prison of golden was made up, because prison that is cage. Actually, it is a prison made up in order to give lesson to the parrot. The parrot was given a lot of books. Even there were a lot of persons were engaged. And what is the more important, thousands of people came all around the country to look over the beautiful cage and the schooling concept of a bird. Now, the interesting fact of the incident is that the bird died in that cage. What is the outcome of the story? A bird is completely lookable when it is flying away, when it is flying in the air. But a bird is not at all watchable when it is inside a prison or cage. The theme of the story, in fact, Rabindranath Tagore wants to make us realize by the story that we were under the supervision of the British government. We are like the birds. We are like this parrot. We did not like it. We wanted our freedom badly. We got our freedom anyway. But inside the cage, many of us had died. What does it signify? Actually, the poet, the author tries to say that a bird, if anybody wishes to give him lesson, his lesson should be lookable at open environment, not in a cage. But in this case, what happened? In this case, the nephew has made a golden cage with a thought that the golden cage might be a beautiful surrounding for him where he will enjoy his all entire life. Oh, long I have gone through English. इसमें पोएट को ऑथर बता रहे हैं कि जो गोल्डन केज बनाया गया है, गोल्डन केज में बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, एन्जॉय करेगा, पढ़ेगा। किताबों का जो है ताक पे ताक सजा दिया गया, लंबे कतार लग गए किताबों के। लेकिन वो तो एक पक्षी है बेचारा, वो तो डर गया, वो परिस्थिति को संभाल नहीं पाया, समझ नहीं पाया। पंडित लोग बोले कि भाई इसका स्कूलिंग तो ज़रूरत है और आप लोग किताब लगाओ। कारण तो दूसरा है, उन लोगों को तो पैसा खींचना था। जो स्वर्णकार थे, गोल्ड स्मिथ थे, उसको पैसा खींचना था। दूसरे जो व्यक्ति थे सब अपने पैसे खींचने में व्यस्त थे, लेकिन किसी ने एक बार उस पक्षी की तरफ घूर के भी नहीं देखा, अरे यार इसको क्या चाहिए। और जब तक ये सोचने की समय आया तब तक वो पक्षी ये दुनिया छोड़ के चला गया। एक्चुअली स्टोरी का मोरल यही है कि हम लोग को जब स्वाधीनता मिलता है, हम लोग स्वाधीन प्राणी हैं। एक पक्षी को भी आप कभी भी इस तरीके से केज के अंदर नहीं रख सकते हो, क्योंकि वो केज में रहने का आदत उसको नहीं रहता है, उसमें उसको एन्जॉयमेंट या उसको शांति नहीं मिलता है। लेकिन केज में रख के हम लोग को दिखाया जा रहा है यहाँ पर, केज में उसका पढ़ाई होगा, उसका उन्नति होगा। शेष तक इतने सारे किताब हैं, जो किताब के बोझ उसके दिल पे इतना पढ़ा कि वो एक पक्षी बेचारा जो घूमने वाला है, उड़ने वाला है, वो मर जाता है। इससे हम लोग को लेसन यही मिलता है। हम लोग भी एक समय इंग्लिश शासन में थे, अंग्रेज लोग हम लोगों पे अत्याचार भी किए थे, अनुशासन उन लोगों का था। हम लोग स्वाधीनता प्राप्त किए हैं, लेकिन उस समय हम लोगों के दिल पे ये बोझ था, कब हम लोग स्वाधीन होंगे। द स्टोरी इज इट सेल्फ कैरिंग द मैसेज ऑफ द देन इंडियन पीरियड where the Indian were being ruled by the British dominators and we were badly looking for our freedom. So the story ends with a bitter, a morbid theme in which we have realized that the bird, which is a beautiful part of a nature, which we which we like to watch flying here and there, not in a cage. There is a proverb, a bird in hand, two bird in cage. Now, a bird in hand better than two bird in cage. That is a beautiful prose. एक पक्षी जो आपके हाथ में है बहुत सुंदर है, दो पक्षी जो आपके केज में है। तो पोएट, ऑथर, ग्रेटर ऑथर, नॉवलिस्ट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर बताना चाह रहे हैं, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर हम लोग उस तरीके से सोच रही थी, हम लोगों को एक केज के अंदर रखी थी कि मैं आपको सोने की चिड़िया बना कर रखूँगा, आप लोग रहो इसमें। लेकिन हम लोग तो भाई बहुत फ्रीडम लिबर्टी वाले आदमी थे, हम लोग निकल पड़े अपने आज़ादी के लिए। आज़ादी हम लोगों को मिला भी, और यही सही है। यहाँ पर भी पक्षी को आज़ादी नहीं मिला, लेकिन पक्षी की मृत्यु है उसके द्वारा रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर हम लोग को बताना चाहते हैं कि हम लोग एक आज़ाद प्राणी है और हम लोगों को आज़ादी चाहिए। सो द स्टोरी इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल वन, यू नीड टू गो थ्रू द स्टोरी। Today's video is going to be short limited, but the next class I am going to take some more. Okay, I'll give you some question on this, and after that I will be going through with the short questions 1 and 2, and apart from that I'll be discussing the syllabus. In fact, I am in doubt that many of you even do not aware of the syllabus, though I have already uploaded the syllabus. Go through this and leave the comments whatever you like or do not like, and the questions you like. Okay, take care. Soon we are meeting in the next class. Goodbye.